Thank you for joining us at Refresh Refinishing. Today we're going to do a quick brief test on the ultimate coating provided by Refresh Refinishing. We have two different coatings on the table. This one over here is the most common coating used in the refinishing industry by most companies. This is exclusive to Refresh Refinishing. This is our ultimate coating. This is the most durable coating in the industry. Today we're going to test both of these with a professional grade stripper to remove coatings specifically like this. So what we're going to do first is we're going to apply the coating, and then we're going to wait about a 20-minute period for it to start working and to activate. We're just putting a liberal amount over the tile. Now we're going to do the same as the ultimate coating. As you can see, roughly the same amount on both products. And so per the directions for this stripper, we need to allow this to dwell for about 20 minutes, so we'll be right back. All right, we're back now. It's been about 25 minutes. The coatings have been sitting, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and scrape off the stripper off of each tile, and then hit it with some steel wool to see what our results are. So we're going to go ahead and dip the steel wool in the stripper a little bit, and we're going to scrub. And as you can see, this coating is coming off relatively easy. We're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to go ahead and dip in some stripper, and we're going to scrub over here. Now we pulled some of that ink in there, but I'm applying a lot of pressure here. And we're really scrubbing this. Again. Over here, cleaning it right off. Over here, we do have a couple of areas that did fail in the coating on the ultimate, but overall, if you look at the durability on here, the stripper was specifically designed to completely remove these coatings. A refinishing company that came in and attempted to strip the ultimate coating from your tub would not be able to remove this coating. They say that this coating over here has a 20-year life expectancy. I generally don't see that in the industry. I would say if this is properly maintained, you can get maybe 10 to 15 years out of it, and that's if you really meticulously take care of it. Our ultimate coating with Refresh Refinishing, this will easily last you 25 to 30 years if you properly take care of it. There's a big difference between these two coatings, so don't be fooled by the competition, and check out Refresh Refinishing Ultimate.